E90 in here. Oh boy. Tires. And that's a cop right there.
They got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems. I solve them. I run through the money. My pressure be calling. Look for my blessings. I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something. That's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted. The phone and affection. I summon it down because.
Alright guys, this video has been a long time coming. So we're gonna put some Ignite E90 in the good old street car. And we've got to put some air in the tires because obviously they're a little low from going to the track the other day. If you guys haven't seen that video, make sure you go check it out. I had to race Streetcar Joe and got gapped really bad. Sorry to break the news to you. So yeah, we're gonna put some Ignite E90 in here and then we're gonna air up the tires at the gas station, and that thing over there, it's gonna go whoosh. Alright guys, let's see if the Mustang starts after 2 days of sitting. Oh boy, this is gonna be rough.
E85 cold start on the Mustang.
Ah, almost. Okay. There she goes. Here we are. Good Lord. That was a lot better than I thought it would be. But that's because it's inside the front garage, so. Alright guys, we're finally gonna pull the parachute today. Chase is gonna be outside filming it so you guys can see the outside angle. I'm a little nervous because I haven't pulled it before. And we don't know how to pack it, so that'll be an interesting part to do also.
You don't even know if it works.
Oh, I know it works.
How do you know?
I've had the cable like fall out to make sure it works. Like and the cable came out. So it works. It for sure works. You haven't even ridden in the car since I did all this crap, have you?
Because you don't like me.
Yeah.
How do you pull it to like this?
Oh. Actually, the pin's still in, we're fine.
Okay, I was gonna say in the middle of traffic, it's somebody with a parachute.
So yeah, we're gonna see. I don't know how fast we're gonna go. Maybe like 100, 120. It's really cold out today, so might get a little sketch. Seatbelt is a good idea. I should probably put mine on too. Alright guys, so we are going to do it on the access road. So we're gonna have to drop Chase off, come back around, and then we're gonna pull the parachute. Are you ready? I'm kind of nervous. Make sure the mic's on. To capture this quality.
Quality.
This is gonna be sweet. I feel like it's not gonna be that cool. I'm gonna pull it, it's not gonna do anything.
Yeah, I know.
We'll see.
They'll probably just jerk the shit in.
I don't know, I feel like I gotta be going really fast for it to jerk. We raced the Corvettes. Oh crap, I can't see.
Not with it being this fast though.
True, it's on a little more.
Let it rip, tater chip.
I told you, just blow the damn tires.
Come on, dude.
Okay, so Chase is over here somewhere. Where is he? There he is, right there. This guy's stacks are huge. I don't know if you guys can see that. Those are ridiculous. Exhausted. Yeah, those exhausts make me exhausted. Look how big those stacks are. Those are literally semi-stacks on a truck. I didn't know people still do that. I got a stack too, dude. We're like homies now. Alright guys, so we're gonna pull over real quick in this other parking lot, pull the pin out, and we're gonna have to roll into it because I already tried to make a little. Look at those things. That's insane. But I already tried to make like a little baby hit as you saw earlier, and it just smoked the tires. So I'm gonna try and roll into it because we probably got to be going like over 100 for this thing to deploy correctly. Because going like 60, 70 miles an hour, the parachute's just gonna fall out. So, yeah. We are going to pull over, pull the pin out, and hopefully we can get going at a decent mile an hour so we can get the parachute to deploy correctly. But we'll see. I'm a little nervous. I don't know what's gonna happen. All I know is I'm gonna push this. So people wonder why I did the push and why I put the handle right here. It's because I already have my hand here to shift the car at all times. So since my hand's already here, it's easy for me just to push it that way. So I think pulling it, it's too far back and my arm would kind of hit the chair. So, or the chair, the seat. So I don't know, right here it just felt ergonomical to just push it. Which I'll probably switch it at some point. But for now, I think that's what's gonna work best for the setup that I have. So anytime you guys are setting stuff up in your car, you wanna make it most ergonomical for you because you're the one driving it. Not what looks cool, but for function. Like that's why I have the gauges right here. That's why I have the parachute that way. That's why I have this switch right here. Like everything's gotta be ergonomical because I'm the one that's actually pulling it. So I'm gonna get out real quick and pull this pin. And hopefully there's no cars coming when I try and go. Alright guys, moment of truth. Pulling the pin. Oh boy, this makes me nervous. I hope I have it set up correctly. Alright, here we go. Look at it! Oh shit! The mic on. I think it's ready to go. Here we go. David pulling the chute. On the street. It's not a street car, it's a race car. Just pull the chute. Oh man. Oh my gosh. Yeah, it was smoking the tires for sure. Okay, we gotta hurry up and throw this thing in. Oh, see, there's the little baggie for it. Oh shit, that's crazy. Oh, we gotta hurry up. Oh. That definitely pulled a lot harder than I thought it would. Gosh, this thing was just smoking the tires though. I was not going that fast, and so I knew I had to go a little bit faster, and I literally 50%, 60% throttled it, and it was just smoking the tires. And that's a cop right there. Let's see if he gets off. Nope, he's not getting off. Okay, we're good. But yeah, this thing was just smoking the tires. Holy shit. People wonder why I haven't taken this car out to do racing on the street. Like, it just doesn't go on the street. I mean, I was in second gear, rolled into it at like 30% throttle, held it at like 30, 40, 50% and then put into third gear because I knew it was just going to blow the tires off in second, and I rolled into it in third and stayed at like 50-60%, and it still was just smoking the tires, like, and I could feel the car just hovering back and forth. This car just does not do well on the street. I mean, obviously we were on asphalt and it's cold out, but I did get the tires a little hot before when we made the other hit. But I'd tell you, this car would not be, it could definitely do some rolls, but there's another cop right there. It could definitely do some rolls, just not on the street. Maybe on like a concrete patch or something, but it's just too much right now for the street. This car is insane. This is literally insane.
"20 minutes later, David Van Voorst comes to pick up his camera guy.
Now we're picking up Chase. It's so cold. Hold on, let me heat up. Oh. Dude, that was sketchy, man.
Huh?
That was so sketchy.
It looks sketchy.
It was like all over the place before I pulled it, because I was like, man, I got to be going fast enough to pull it. But then, like, it was just, the car wanted to just go everywhere.
Like right here, you hit a bunch of rocks and like got squirrely, and then you popped the shit out, and I was like,
Oh, it actually like pulled me too. I was kind of surprised.
I told you.
But yeah, god dang, dude, this thing can't do shit on the street. I like rolled into it and it was like,
Well, granted, it is what, 40 something.
yeah, no, it's cold as shit out. And we're on asphalt. But I had it in second and it was like, and I was like, oh man. So I put it in third so it wouldn't burn the tires off. And then it really pulled and I was like, oh god, this is not good. That was awesome. Alright, since I don't know how to pack a parachute, we're watching Motion Raceworks official How to Pack a Stroud Safety Parachute with Tips. Huge shout out to Doug. We're gonna watch this and then we're gonna pack the parachute. Pulled, they're nice and flat. The yellow is the top. And then you wanna grab these at the crease. Make them into little triangles here. This thing is so wrinkly because it's brand new. Then turn it on the side.
Shout out to Motion Raceworks for the video.
We are literally watching step by step. Which way did he fold it?
He just folded it in half. This side over.
So this side over.
Because basically, in the end, you end up having about 10 pounds of stuff in a 5-pound bag. So we folded it once.
Just gotta make sure this.
Watch your profanity.
Then he rolls it, like rolls it up like that.
Which way?
This way.
The whole thing, roll it?
Yeah.
Package up. Because
Folded it?
basically, in the end,
We already folded it.
We already folded it, Dougie.
So we folded it once, and now I'll fold it again.
Oh, he folded it again.
Folds it again like a small little, like a taco.
We have
That's what she
everything
said.
packaged. Everything
I like
is
tacos.
it's not going to get tangled. We know that the parachute is going to be aligned properly, because if you have a panel inside out, when it goes to deploy, it's going to have
Oh, maybe because you.
It's inside out.
to this, but
Alright, so we just realized the bag is inside out. That makes sense.
We're retarded. Sorry.
I don't know why it did that, but leave this, like, don't fold that. Hold on.
you get a hang of it, if you will.
Okay.
Because basically,
Oh man, you're ruining the fold here, buddy. You're just killing the fold. Okay, we're gonna have to refold that. Look. So we're refolding it because we got it a little bunched up. And you don't want it bunched up, so that's gonna be some problems.
Okay, and then Doug folded it again.
Fold it again. So yeah, nice and tight.
Okay. Folded it like so.
Yep.
One way.
Then fold it under.
And then push it down right there so I can.
Do it one more.
You did it, and then you did the same thing again.
Yeah. Hey, that's a nice little square. Now I just gotta get in the baggie just like that.
Bad idea.
This is why no one pulls their parachute. 'Cause it's a pain.
At street
This is my
car
first time folding it, so this is supposed to get easier, they say. Okay, I'll pick this up. Okay, so this is why you want two people, because we're gonna roll the cords on the top. but just don't.
Pack her down in there.
Yeah, because we got to put the cords on the top. So just make sure they don't get tangled.
Yeah.
It's good that we're learning this because you're going to be the pit crew guys. So Kennedy can take photos of us looking like idiots trying to pack this. Okay, Doug, you're getting ahead of us here. Hold on.
Yeah, I was about to say, Doug.
Doug, slow down. We're not
Chill
as fast
out,
as you.
Doug. We're not as advanced as you are.
We are beginners. A visit to the sand trap.
I think I did a good job.
I think we're doing okay. Video, you know, people just always say pictures don't do it justice. Video does not do Chase's packing job justice. It's actually really bad in person.
Hey, come here.
Oh yeah, we're close. Nice.
Come to me.
Hold on. Don't get ahead of ourselves here.
Packing the chute without this is a huge pain. I'll also put a link in the description for a 3-pack of these.
I'm gonna need to order that.
I'm gonna need to order about 9 of those.
It's actually hard to find a string on here.
Flap down. You know how everybody's parachutes are all nice and square? I was gonna be like an oval, like a smashed mushroom.
That's the string I'm missing.
Of course it is. The one
hold
thing
on.
that we actually need.
I got it. I'm holding it, because yeah, one of us has got to hold it. Oh! Oh yeah, okay, we got to push that pack in there. Is that pack all the way in there?
Doug! Come on, Doug.
Oh yeah, so push, now pull that through the bottom one. Dude, we got to get this pack in there tighter. That's our problem.
Oh, I have a cramp in my neck.
Don't let go right now. This will punch me in the face. Okay, so now we're gonna pull this. Okay, we gotta get this in there.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Come on, Chase.
What do you want me to, what do you expect?
Push it in there. There we go. Okay.
Dude, why is this so difficult?
Almost. Okay, hold on.
Got it.
So now, yep, get that side. Okay, there we go. Now get the other side. Oh, come on, Jimmy.
Do it for Dale.
Oh, oh yeah.
Keep pressure on it. There we go.
Okay, I'll pull that through, and I just gotta pin it. Hold on, let's push this in. Oh, don't stab me.
Jimmy!
Oh,
And that's why he has a string.
yep.
Get some wire cutters.
There we go. Okay, we need to tuck that bottom thing in a little more. Guys, we did it! And I'm gonna put the pin in before this explodes on us. Pin is in. Okay, so we're just gonna pull this up a little bit. But guys, we did it. So if you guys need help packing, make sure you watch Motion Raceworks channel. You should subscribe to them. Follow them on Instagram, Facebook, all that good stuff. They made this super nice parachute mount, but actually that wasn't that bad for our first time. You guys gotta remember, that was our first time. I haven't even helped Joe pack his parachute. Him and Brady typically do it. So we're gonna tuck the bottom in, and that's pretty much how you do it. Boom, and just like that, the parachute is back on. Huge shout out to Chase. Follow him, ACS138 on Instagram. If you guys liked the videos from over the weekend racing, Chase was a huge help in that, so make sure you comment down below, and we'll bring Chase along for more.
All the time.
For more racing.
Yeah.
So, that's how you do it. Pulled the parachute on the street.
I filmed all of it.
Yeah, he filmed literally
Every
all
bit of it.
He did
so all
awesome.
the clips you see,
Chase,
me.
which is part of Van Vorst Media.
Yes.
So,
When I need a shirt.
he needs a shirt. I got my shirt on right now, actually. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to pick up a parachute mount kit, make sure you hit up Doug at MotionRaceWorks.com. And you can get these super nice Stroud parachutes from these. This is their new one. It's a really nice chute. It's actually pretty easy to pack because it has that bag for it. So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, Vanby39. We'll see you guys on the next one. Boom.